up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. The search continues for our next project. Last week we didn't have any luck on the BMW M5, so this week hopefully we'll have better luck, and I came across this 2021 BMW 430i coupe. Might be a good rebuild for us, and this is the condition of the vehicle. Currently has 9,000 miles, condition 1.7, not drivable, no structural, does not start, no prior paint, no order, one key, clean, auto check and Carfax. Front bumper is removed. I don't see any damage to the headlights or anything up front. Rear bumper is removed as well, and for some reason they cut the quarter out. And I see might be a front bumper or some kind of a bumper, but might be damaged. Nothing in the trunk, and missing a rear bumper. And then once again some kind of a milky look on the oil cap. And same thing, front bumper is missing. Some fender damage and a door damage. Curb rashes. And then they put this pillar is bent by just a minor little dent, I would say, or scrape. Door needs to be replaced. Needs a new quarter panel, and once again rear wheel curb rashed. And then the wheel well got little damage as well, and that's it. So let's go down and see what's going on. So they marked front bumper, fender, door, quarter panel, and 3 wheels. And then front bumper they put missing, replacement required. Grille is missing, the left tire is flat, rear bumper is missing, curb rash, quarter panel replacement required, door replacement required. Right window, for some reason they put repair required. Maybe it's broken. Fender, the same thing, gotta replace the fender. And then right front wheel curb rash. And then they put engine light is on, tire pressure, bunch of stuff. C-pillar bent, structural, wheel housing bent, structural, and then oil. Since the oil is dirty, they put catchy oil. And then this one has one owner, 9,000 miles, and no accents on Carfax or auto check. Looks like a very nice car, so let's head down to the auction. We'll look at the car in person, make sure we like it, and then we'll come back. We'll put some numbers together. If it makes sense, we'll try to buy it. I'll see you guys at the auction. Just got to the auction, and man, there's a lot of cars today, so it should be fun finding our car. So let the fun begin. Check out this car. What do you guys think? Somebody did not do any drugs in here whatsoever. Man, this thing is completely trashed. Probably could get HIV just by looking at it. And they're like full as well. Wow, sketchy car. Let's get out of here. Finally found the car, man. So many cars today here, it's crazy, but this is the car that I really like, so let's take a look. 9,000 miles, and it's a 430 M Sport, I believe. So right side damage, wheel gut, fender is savable, door is aluminum and it has a hole, so might have to replace the door. Mirror is damaged right here, gotta get a new mirror. And then they cut the quarter panel out to see where the hitting damages are. Technically I could have saved this quarter, but not anymore. So we're gonna have to replace the quarter, fix the inner wheel a little bit. This wheel is scraped up, and then the rear bumper is missing. I didn't find the rear bumper. And then front bumper is here. They put the front bumper in the car. Just how I like it. Just joking. Somebody was a smoker, but it does not smell like smoke. And then And then everything is in Chinese or Japanese. Whoever knows which one is the correct one, let me know. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty clean for the most part. Door is okay, just a little dirty. Let's go look at the engine. Everything is good up here. Headlights didn't get damaged. The most expensive on the front end, everything seems to be okay. No oil dipstick, probably electronic. Everything looks good up here. Yeah, I like it. And the most expensive is the front bumper. Seems to be okay. Somebody just shoved this inside of the car. Yeah, look at the seat. Oh man, oh boy. Yeah, front bumper has a camera, so definitely this front bumper is expensive. So I'm glad that it's here. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. It has a lot of potential. So we're gonna try to bid on it. We'll put some numbers together once we get to the shop, how much new quarter is gonna cost, how much rear bumper gonna cost. I like it. So this is definitely gonna be on my list. And back end, same thing. All those sensors are very expensive. They're here. So just missing a bumper cover and diffuser, but everything else is very, very nice. I like it. Let's see underneath the car. Looks pretty good. This wheel is flat, but good tires overall. Original tires. Car has only 9,000 miles, so we'll recondition the wheels, new quarter, new mirror. We'll put new door as well and fix the fender. Fender should be aluminum, sounds like aluminum. Okay, I like it. So let's go back to the shop, put some numbers together, and live auction starts tomorrow, and we'll find out. We might be the new lucky winners for this one. I like this one a lot because it requires some body work, so perfect for us, you know. One owner, well taken care of for the most part, no door dings. Perfect, I like it. All right, let's head back to the shop and see how much all the parts gonna cost. Before we leave, check out those armored trucks. That's so cool. Look at this beast. Well, so you gotta get in there and then it rolls you in. I'm not gonna go in there because I don't want to get stuck. But wow, those are some serious boys. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, that's so cool. And then here's if you want to shoot bullets, I guess you just bring this down and go at it. Just got back from the auction, so let's put some numbers together and see how much everything gonna cost us. I checked on eBay for used parts, and for some reason I can't find anything used for this vehicle, so we're gonna have to put everything new from the dealer. So right now I'll put the VIN number into our estimating system. This way I'll know how much all the new parts gonna cost us, and we'll see how much we should place a bid on this vehicle. And this is what the estimating system looks like. Pretty much you got everything about this vehicle. So we got to replace the rear bumper since it's missing, and we'll put number 1, and we have park sensors. So rear bumper gonna cost us $1,116. So let's put replace, and then we need a rear diffuser. Rear diffuser cost $212. Replace. Side markers, reflector, so we need left side and a right side. Replace. Then we need an exhaust tip. Exhaust tip cost $196. We need a left side. Replace. Okay, and that's it for the rear bumper. And then let's go look at the quarter panel. New quarter panel cost $1,305. We need a right side. Replace. And then we're gonna need a new fender liner. A right side. New fender liner cost $125. Replace. I think that's it for the quarter panel. Now we need a right side door. Right side door cost $1,231. Replace. And then we're gonna need this weather strip. It's on double tape. Weather strip cost $134. Replace. And let's see, we need a mirror as well. So let's click on that. We need number 6, right side. So that's $45. Replace. And then we need number 9. Number 9, $53. Replace. And then we need number 12, $108. Let's replace that as well. And then just in case we can't fix the fender, let's see how much the fender cost. And the new fender cost, right side, $613. We'll just put that just in case. So those are all the parts that we have to replace. So grand total with all the parts gonna come out to $5,211.87. And then labor and paint gonna be around $6,500. So that brings us to $11,711. Plus we gotta recondition 2 wheels, front and rear. That's gonna be another $150 each. So that brings us around $12,000 to put this car back to factory spec. So I'm thinking I'm gonna bid on this car no more than $25,000. $25,000 gonna be absolutely my max bid, because the most I could get for this car around $40,000, maybe with some change. So live auction starts right now, so wish me luck. We'll see what happens. Man, I almost got it. Oh, this guy was just keep bumping me up, and my last bid was $25,000. After that, my finger wouldn't click on the button anymore, because next click would be 27, and let's say if I win at 27 plus auction fees gonna be another $1,000, so that brings me to 28,000 plus parts, 5,000 in parts, so that brings me to 33,000. Oh man, kinda up there. Plus labor and paint, $6,500. Cause I looked it up in perfect with no accents, Kelly Blue Book. This car is worth about 44. And then I found similar cars on the marketplace for around 40,000 with some change. So, oh man, numbers are tough. And I'm not just trying to work just to make money on paint and labor, because I got plenty of work at the shop that I could make the same amount of money without freezing my money. Because if I buy this car, it's gonna take me about 3 weeks to repair this vehicle, plus who knows how long it's gonna take me to sell this vehicle. Could take 30 days, could take 90 days, and I gotta freeze my money just to make money on some labor and paint. Yeah, not a good buy for me personally. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Is that a good deal or not? Would love to hear your feedback. So I guess the search continues, because there's plenty more cars to bid on every week. They have over 500 cars to auction off. So I guess we'll try next week once again. So we're done with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!